Hello friends, my name is Manpreet Kaur. My student ID is 303800875. Today I present ITEC 7401 presentation, A Successful Leader. My inspirational leader is Sardar Bhagat Singh. He was born in Punjab, India on September 27, 1907. He was an Indian socialist revolutionary whose two acts against of democratic violence against the British in India and execution at the age 23 made him a folk hero of the Indian independence movement. There are many qualities in Sardar Bhagat Singh. At the point when he was 8 years of age, rather than discussing about trials or games, he generally talking about driving out British from India. Bhagat Singh had all the qualities of a great leader like character, communication skills, commitment, and courage. When Bhagat Singh's parents wanted him to marry, he ran away to Kanpur. He told his parents that if I will marry in a colonial India where British Raj is there, then my bride will be my death. Bhagat Singh was passionate and committed to his country. He gave his life for it. Bhagat Singh did not agree with Gandhiji ideologies. Therefore, he chose a different path opposite to Gandhiji. It's easier to follow other, but it takes courage to find a new path. Success as a leader. Lala Lajpat Rai was killed at the hands of British. Bhagat Singh wanted a revenge of this. He avenged the death of Lala Lajpat Rai and killed the British police officer John Saunders. He is an inspiration for youth because he taught the importance of living a meaningful life. His courage and sacrifice make him a new hero of nation. On 23rd March, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev had been hanged for the crime of attempting to overthrow the British aligned rule in India. British thought that their dreams of democratic, secular, and independent India would also die. But the rulers were wrong, as these revolutionaries continue to be an important part of Indian people life. Why he appeals me. I admire and respect him because of his braveness, courage, and his strong patriotic feeling. His aim was not to kill the Britishers and to go in the path of ahimsa, but his aim was to protest against them in the same wavelength that British did to Indians. He was attracted to socialism and socialist revolutionary led by Lenin at early age and started reading about them. Bhagat Singh said, "They kill me, but they not kill my thoughts. They can crush my body, yet would not have the option to crush my soul." He was a friendly and adorable individual, an inspiration indeed to involve individuals who wish to be delicate yet strong. He sacrificed his life at 23 years old. That is the reason I respect him. Lesson for project manager. Commit to your goal. It is not possible to achieve your goals and unless you are committed to it. Therefore, be sincere and give your full commitment to reach your goal. Bhagat Singh was passionate and committed to his country. He was a good communicator. He has a good fighting spirit. He also motivating others. He is a good inspiration for your youth. We are lucky to live in an independent India because of the sacrifice of freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh also said that I am a man and all that affects mankind concerns me. Thank you.